channel. So this is the continuation of this daily daylight claim. So if you want to see where your reward is and how to use it, follow this process. First of all, when you open your daily delight, then you come to the normal interface. Then you click on this place you are seeing reward. You click on here, reward, my rewards. When you click on these rewards, then you are going to see all the rewards you have, the one you have used and the one you haven't used. Then when you click on it to load, as you can see, these are the rewards I have. These ones are the one I have used and the one that are expired and all that. So if you want to use it before it will expire, you click on use. When you click on use, it will bring you to this particular phase. As you can see, this is your available balance. This is your available balance here now. So you can top up your balance so that you can trade, make a good trade. When you click on it, it will bring you to the derivative. So you can top up your balance and make a good trade with this. So when you open it, when you click use, you bring you to these derivatives. So by then you have already made your analysis, technical and fundamental, then know when to buy and when to sell. So that's how it works. Guys, try follow this channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates.